In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam not opening in 2026. So make sure to follow along with me as we try some simple fixes like restarting Steam, closing any background processes, clearing the cache, and checking basic settings so you can get Steam working again on your PC or laptop. If this video helps, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple Steam and tech tutorials. Now, to get started, what you want to do from your desktop is come and right click onto a blank space of your taskbar and then open up your task manager. Once you've got your task manager opened, come up to the search box at the top and in here type Steam. If Steam is coming up running as a background process, what you can do is click and then click onto end task, which is going to close down Steam from running. Now, once you've done that, if you come back down to your taskbar, click into the search box and type run, and what you want to do is open up run underneath best match. Now, in the run box that appears, you want to type a % symbol followed by local app data and then another % symbol and then click OK. And from here, what you want to do is look for the Steam folder. So it's in alphabetical order, so if you just come down to S, you should see a folder called Steam. What you want to do is delete this folder, which is going to contain your Steam cache in temporary files. And another thing you want to do from here is come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto List PC. From here, double click onto your C drive, and then what you want to do is double click onto the program files x86 folder, and in here you want to again look for a Steam folder. Now, what you want to do this time is double click to go into the Steam folder, and you want to delete everything in this folder apart from the Steam apps folder and the actual steam.exe program, which is just here. So besides that, you want to delete everything from here. And once you've done that, you can close that down, restart Steam, and it should now open successfully. But that's how to fix Steam not opening in 2026. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.